Hello everybody, it's Sana. Wood is my favorite painting surface. Wood is sturdy and very smooth, and it can be cut into very interesting and whimsical shapes. Most of the time, panels come pre-primed, meaning they are ready to be painted on. Though there may be times where you have to prime your wood panel yourself. In this tutorial, I'll show you how. You will need a few things in order to properly prime your panel. You will need a sealant, gesso, a paintbrush, and a palette. Step 1. Apply a sealant to your raw panel. You want to apply a thin, even coat to the front and back of your panel. I do at least 2 coats. For my sealant, I'm using Golden's GAC 100. There are 2 main reasons why you want to seal your wood panels. The first is to keep the natural acid in the wood from discoloring your paint. The second reason is to help protect your wood panel from humidity and moisture. Humidity can cause a wood panel to warp or rot, and this in turn can cause damage to your painting. Sealing your panel ensures that your painting will be protected and supported for years to come. If your panel is cradled, it's not necessary to seal the cradle unless you want to paint the edges. Step 2. Cover the front of your panel with gesso. Gesso is a paint primer that helps the paint to adhere to various surfaces. I'm using Golden's basic white gesso, but you can use any brand of gesso that you like. It's generally recommended to apply 1 to 3 coats of gesso. The more coats you apply, the more opaque your surface will be. If you want the wood grain to show through, you can use fewer or thinner coats of gesso, or if you're using Golden's GAC 100, you can actually skip gesso because it's a primer as well as a sealant. And that's it! Priming a panel is really easy and can be very cost-saving. However, it can be a little bit of a time-consuming process because you have to wait for the sealant and gesso to dry in between layers. I, for one, enjoy it though. Alrighty, I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and if you want to see more tutorials like this in the future, make sure you hit that subscribe button. And if you want to follow along with my art journey, then make sure you follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. The links are down below. Thank you so much for watching. Now, I have some work to do, so I'll see you next time. Bye!